Start.
Very good morning, students. This is my second video on infix to postfix conversion. As you all have seen in the last lecture, we were trying to understand how to convert an expression from infix to postfix or infix to prefix. So given an expression, we were able to do some conversion and we also saw some kind of examples. Now, if we have to write a program in order to do this infix to postfix conversion, which is also part of your lab cycle, let us see what are the steps that are involved in converting the infix expression to postfix expression. Okay. Now let me I have put down the steps here. After this, I will be taking up some examples to see how we can dry run a given expression to convert infix to postfix. The first step is you have to scan the infix expression from left to right. That means the given expression should be scanned character by character from left to right. If the character is a space, then you have to skip it. That means if the character is going to be a space, we are just going to ignore it. We are not going to do anything about that. If it is a digit or alphabet, you are going to add it to the postfix string. If it is an open parenthesis, simply add it to the stack. If it is an operator, then we have to compare it with the top element of the stack and follow the precedence rule. Now, when I do the examples, I will tell you what exactly is the precedence rule and how do we compare the precedence and go further. Okay. If it is a closing parenthesis, then all the elements of the stack should be popped out and added to the postfix string until we encounter a open parenthesis. Okay, so these are the steps that we have to follow and we also have to write a program in C++ based on these steps. Now let us look at some of the examples following these steps. Okay, so let us look at some examples. So now let us take an example. I have taken an example of infix expression a plus b slash c star d plus e minus f. Now we are going to use the steps that I just now told you and try to see how we can convert this infix expression into a postfix string. Now what I have shown, I told you that the first step is to scan the expression from left to right. Now as we scan, what are we going to do for each of the character that we get? What are we going to do and how we are going to utilize the stack is what we are going to see. Now let us try to scan each of these characters. The first character is a open braces, right, or open parenthesis. Now when we encounter open parenthesis, simply put it into the stack. Okay, so we don't have anything in the postfix expression right now. The next character that we are going to scan is A. A is a alphabet. I told you in the steps that if your character scan is going to be a digit or an alphabet, put it directly into the postfix string. So your stack will remain as it is with your open parenthesis. There is no change. Now I come to the I'll put this character A into the as part of the postfix string. Next we have an operator. Now, whenever I said we are going to encounter an operator, we are going to use the precedence rule. Now, for instance, your exponential operator or the what I can say exponential operator, dollar or this hash. So, most of these expression will have the exponential operation. All this will have the highest priority. Okay, let us say priority is 3. Okay, and then comes your star and slash. This will have the next highest priority. Let me call it as 2. Then you have plus and minus, which have the lowest priority. Let me call it as 1. Now, whenever we are encountering a operator, before we push it onto the stack, we should check the or compare the precedence of the operator. If the stack already contains an operator which has a higher precedence, then you have to pop out the operator and push this operator of lower priority into the stack. If the stack contains a lower priority operator, then you can definitely push it. Let us, as we go, we'll understand it better. Now the stack is now containing just the open parenthesis. We are not going to compare the precedence of open parenthesis or rather the priority of open parenthesis. We are not going to compare. So there are no operators in the stack. So you can simply push this plus into the stack. Let us keep this operator precedence in mind. I need some space there. So, right, my postfix string remains E. Next, we are encountering the character scanned as B. Now, B is a alphabet, so simply we have to, the stack will remain as it is. I have no change there. B will come into the as part of the postfix string. Next, we have slash. Now, when we are, this is an operator again. I told when you are encountering an operator, you have to compare it with the operator that is there in the stack. Now, plus has a lower priority than slash. Slash has a higher priority. So, since this is a lower priority, you can simply push the slash into the stack. Okay? This string will not change. Next, you have C, right? Next character is C. So, C is a alphabet. So, I will put it as part of the postfix string. Next is star. Now, when the star operator is encountered, we see here top of the stack is slash. Now, as we all know, star and slash both are of the higher priority. Two operators of the same priority should not be there in the stack at any point of time. Okay. Now, since this and this are equal operators, you will have to pop this slash. So, when I pop the slash, you will get the slash there and put it as part of the postfix string. Push this star into the stack. Okay. Next one is open braces again. So, open braces again, we are not going to compare, simply push it into the stack and then this will continue as it is. Right. Next we have D. D is an alphabet. So, put it as part of the postfix string. Let me continue on the top. I am not getting some space. So, we are done with D. The next is plus. Okay, here if you observe, you have open braces. Once braces come in, you don't have to compare the operators. You can simply push the operator. So, you have slash, open braces plus star and then plus again. Okay, here you will have A, B, C slash D. The next character that we are going to encounter is E. E is an alphabet. So, I can simply put it as part of the postfix string. A, B, C slash D, E. Then you have the closing braces. Now, whenever you encounter a closing braces, whatever is there in the stack should be popped out and added to the postfix string until you encounter a opening braces. So, we have an opening braces here. So, when this is encountered, till here I will have to pop out. I will eliminate the open braces, plus will go to the, I have popped out plus, so plus will come there. This gets, open braces gets eliminated. That means I said, whenever we encounter a closing braces, we pop out all that is there in the stack and put it onto the postfix string until we encounter a opening braces. This opening braces is here. Before that, after that, what we have plus. So, this plus gets popped out there. Opening braces will get eliminated. So, whatever is there from here will remain as it is in the stack. Okay. Next, we have minus. Now, when minus is an operator again. So, we have to, you have a star here on the top of the stack. Star has a higher priority compared to the minus. So, what should I do? I have to pop out the stack, put it onto my postfix string and then push this minus into the stack. I'm sorry. Yeah. First, I will pop out, let me finish step by step. First, I will pop out the star. A, B, C slash D, E plus, and then we get a star. Now, what is remaining is plus. Plus and minus are again both are of the same priority. So, I will have to pop out the plus also. Plus also I will pop out. This minus will now get pushed. Right? Next I have F. I have F. So since it is F, I will simply push it onto the, put it onto the string ABC slash D E plus star plus F. Okay. Next we have a closing braces. So what I said, whenever we encounter a closing braces, whatever is there in the stack should be popped out and added onto the postfix string until we encounter a opening braces. Okay. So this minus will now get popped out. ABC slash D E plus star plus F minus. Now this becomes the final. So when you pop out this, obviously when you pop out this, you are popped out the minus. This will get open braces will get eliminated. So your stack will become empty. So at the end of the after you finish scanning all the characters from left to right, we have done with all the characters if you observe, right? So your stack should become empty. You start with an empty stack, you end with an empty stack, and this becomes your final postfix expression of the given infix expression. Am I clear to you all? So next session probably we'll take few more examples and we'll try to see. Thank you.